After rigorously testing 18 action cameras over 3 months of outdoor adventures, I've identified the 5 budget-friendly alternatives that truly rival GoPro's performance. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes stabilization analysis, low-light recording, and durability challenges in various weather conditions, has revealed which cameras deliver exceptional value. Each camera offers unique features that might be perfect for your filming needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. The Akaso Brave 4 really hits that sweet spot between quality and affordability. You're getting 4K recording at 30 FPS and 20 megapixel photos, which honestly looks pretty impressive for this price range. What I really like about this one is how you can switch between different view angles, from super wide 170 degrees all the way down to 70. Trust me, this makes a huge difference when you're trying to frame those perfect shots on the go. The stabilization is actually pretty decent. Really decent. It uses this gyroscope system that helps smooth out your footage. You know those shaky moments when you're running or riding? Yeah, it handles those pretty well. And if you're into water sports, this thing's got you covered. It's waterproof up to 131 feet, which is more than enough for most activities. Having screens on both sides is super handy too. Makes it way easier to frame your shots, whether you're filming yourself or something else. Now let's keep it real here. It's not all perfect. The audio can get a bit iffy, especially when there's a lot of background noise. And the app? Well, let's just say it could use some work. Sometimes the connection drops, which can be a bit annoying when you're trying to transfer files. Really annoying, isn't it? But here's the thing. For under $100, you're getting some serious value. The camera comes with a bunch of accessories that you'd usually have to buy separately. There's a mini selfie stick, dual charger, and a whole bunch of mounts included. I've tested pricier action cams, and honestly, this little guy holds its own pretty well. If you're just getting into action cameras or need a reliable backup that won't break the bank, the Akaso Brave 4 is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. The IceFox 4K 60 FPS. Action camera delivers premium features you'd expect from high-end models at a fraction of the cost. Really? While most budget cameras max out at 4K 30 FPS, this one pushes the envelope with smooth 60 FPS recording and crisp 20 megapixel still shots. Quite remarkable at this price point. The waterproof capabilities really stand out, letting you dive down to 131 feet without worry, making it perfect for everything from casual pool days to serious underwater adventures. Amazing! Power management is a strong point with this model. The package includes two 1350mAh batteries, each giving you roughly 2 hours of recording time. That's plenty of juice to capture extended activities without battery anxiety. When it comes to storage, the camera supports up to 128GB micro SD cards, ensuring you won't run out of space during those longer shooting sessions. After putting it through its paces for several weeks, I can confirm the video quality is impressive. The footage shows natural color reproduction, maintains good detail, and adapts well to varying light conditions. The user experience is refreshingly simple. Even newcomers to action cameras will feel comfortable with the controls. The included accessory package adds extra value, featuring various mounts and a handy remote control that saves you from additional purchases. Amazing. It's worth noting that the electronic image stabilization has some limitations. You'll need to drop down from 60 FPS if you want to use EIS, which might affect footage smoothness during high-motion activities. Additionally, while the Snap Pro Companion app handles basic functions adequately, it's relatively simple compared to more sophisticated camera apps. Despite these minor drawbacks, this camera offers exceptional value under $100. You're getting reliable performance, durable construction, and user-friendly operation. For anyone looking to explore action photography without investing in a GoPro, this camera provides core features and capabilities that make it an excellent entry point into the world of action cameras. Number 3. The Jadfezy Wi-Fi action camera delivers impressive capabilities at its budget-friendly price point. While its 1080p video and 12 megapixel photo resolution may not match the Akaso's 4K or IceFox's 20 megapixel specs, it captures remarkably clear footage that's perfect for documenting outdoor excursions. I've put it through its paces during cycling sessions and trail adventures, and the results are consistently reliable. Exactly what you need for social media sharing and preserving those special moments. One standout feature is the intuitive operation system. Amazing! The Wi-Fi connectivity proves particularly valuable, offering seamless smartphone control and wireless file transfers. Fantastic! With a 33-foot connection range, you've got plenty of flexibility to capture creative angles or manage the camera from a distance when it's mounted in hard-to-reach spots. Really, power management. exceeds expectations on this model. The package includes two 1050 mAh batteries, with each providing approximately 2 hours of recording time, matching the endurance of more expensive alternatives like the Icefox. Having that backup battery is essential during extended outings. The IP68 waterproof housing enables underwater filming down to 98 feet. Though not quite reaching the 1 to 31 foot depth of some competitors, it's more than sufficient for most aquatic activities. My snorkeling test confirmed its reliable underwater performance. Let's address some limitations. Honestly, video quality can fluctuate slightly, occasionally falling short of full 1080p resolution, particularly in dim lighting conditions. There's also a minor risk of file corruption that surfaces from time to time, though it's infrequent enough not to cause major concerns. Considering the cost, this camera offers remarkable value. Really, whether you're exploring action cameras for the first time or seeking a dependable secondary unit that's easy on the budget, the Jadfezy fits the bill perfectly. While it won't compete directly with GoPro or match the Akaso Brave 4's capabilities, that's not its purpose. It's a reliable performer that handles the essentials without unnecessary complexity. It's ideally suited for casual adventurers or those testing the waters of action photography, isn't it? Number 2. The Akaso EK7000 delivers impressive performance that caught me off guard. Packing 4K 30fps video recording and 20 megapixel photo capabilities, it matches higher-priced competitors while keeping costs down. After extensive testing across various conditions, I can confirm it handles most adventures with surprising competence. The electronic image stabilization really shines on this model. During my mountain biking sessions, it managed to keep footage remarkably steady. Though it doesn't offer the viewing angle flexibility you'll find on some alternatives, the shake reduction technology works effectively. The included waterproof housing enables diving down to 131 feet. I've tested it while snorkeling and came away impressed with the underwater results. One standout addition is the wrist remote control. Being able to trigger recording or capture photos without reaching for the camera proves invaluable during active moments. Just remember that the remote isn't designed for underwater use, a lesson I learned through experience. Battery performance is a bit limited, giving you around an hour of recording time, which falls short compared to some competitors in this price range. The audio quality from the built-in microphone is basic, at best. However, considering the price point, you could purchase multiple spare batteries and still maintain significant savings over premium alternatives. The value proposition becomes even more compelling when you consider the included accessories. The package comes with various mounting options and attachments that typically require separate purchases. The Wi-Fi functionality performs reliably too. I've experienced consistent, trouble-free file transfers to my smartphone, outperforming several similar models. Really, for the investment, the EK7000 delivers exceptional value. Really, while it won't replace professional-grade equipment, it serves perfectly for activities like hiking, biking, or casual adventure recording without breaking the bank. Perfectly. I've suggested it to numerous friends entering the action camera market, and the feedback has been consistently positive. Amazing. Number 1. The ODB-V 4K action camera delivers exceptional performance for its budget-friendly price tag. With 4K video recording at 60 FPS and 30 megapixel photo capability, it outshines competitors like the Akaso Brave 4 in raw specs. I've tested it extensively on mountain biking trails, and the image quality consistently impresses, particularly in well-lit environments. Really, a standout feature is the dual-screen configuration. The responsive 2-inch touchscreen on the back eliminates frustrating lag issues. Really? While the 1.4-inch front display proves invaluable for self-recording. Whether you're creating content or just ensuring perfect framing, this setup makes a noticeable difference in usability. The 6-axis stabilization technology effectively reduces shake in your footage. Though it doesn't quite match GoPro's premium smoothness, it handles motion significantly better than basic stabilization systems like Jadfezy's. For typical adventure activities, biking, hiking, or winter sports, you'll capture footage that's definitely share-worthy. Regarding aquatic features, this camera boasts impressive water resistance, up to 132 feet, slightly exceeding the Akaso EK7000's capabilities. Perfect for underwater exploration, though there's one caveat. The remote control isn't waterproof, limiting underwater control options. Also worth noting, low-light performance isn't its strongest feature, so daylight shooting yields the best results. The Wi-Fi connectivity truly enhances the user experience. Really, file transfers to your smartphone happen seamlessly, with the 2.4 GHz connection maintaining reliable stability throughout the process. No frustrating disconnections or failed transfers to deal with, ever. Considering the price point, this camera exceeds expectations in nearly every aspect. While not flawless, it nails the essential features anyone needs for adventure documentation without the premium price tag. The robust construction, intuitive operation, and consistent performance make it a compelling choice for action camera enthusiasts on a budget.